So hi programmers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can link volume to your Docker container. Okay, so let's get started. So nothing fancy. What I have done over here is like just created a data folder. Okay, inside that data folder a JSON file which will be having just one customer data, nothing fancy. Now the second thing, inside the Docker file you have to do some configurations as well, but before going to that one I'm gonna show you that what we have. So if I just type nodemon and app.js, run it and show you that currently this application is fetching all the customers data which are coming from the root directory. So if I hit enter, this is local, right? Definitely 3000 means local, right? Now I'm gonna take, instead of this one, I'm gonna take that one from the volume directory. Okay, so we are just assuming that the data will be coming from the volume directory. I'm gonna tell you how. Okay, so the thing is that once we create a database, the database data .sql data or something like that will be saved in the in particular directory, right? So that directory we are assigning over here, nothing much. Okay, and how we have to assign that one? So particular, for example, that .sql of that database directory is being saved something like this. Okay, so what you have to do is like you have to go here and type volume and type data dot customer. So what it does is it will create a new volume as soon as we build the application. Okay, if you build the container, I would say. So currently see we have just one container up and running and one image is there only and one volume is there, and volume we can't see any volume because nothing is attached to nothing container, no one like single container. Okay, so what you have to do over here is that let's try rebuilding the container. Guys, let me show you one more time. I am hitting to the volume container. Okay, so this one we just configured the Docker file container, right? But we have to take the our local volume, right, directly from where it should get this particular file. So currently see we are not copying that file, but this file should be coming inside that directory. How to do that? So what you have to do is just go to this particular volume and then okay, so you have to build it, right? So put like this Docker build any type customer app with volume, something like that. I'm just gonna put wall. Okay, and then on the current directory. Okay, let me hit and see over here we'll get the volume now. Oh sorry, I have to run it, then only we can get the volume. Definitely we can't get that volume because we didn't attach until now. How to attach that one? So what you have to do is like docker run -v, that is the attach mode, or you can type a -mount as well, but I'm going to use the naming convention, probably that custom volume like that. So basically you have to go over here and then copy the relative path and paste it here. Okay, and then colon this directory structure you have to follow. Okay, and if you follow this particular directory structure, and then it should be fine. So for example, I'm gonna go here and then type /app.data or something like that. Okay, so it will be configured and taken that particular directory. Okay, and type -p and I'm gonna type 9000 and to expose 3000 of that customer. What was that image name is customer app wall, customer app wall, like that. Okay, and let me give it a proper name. So if I wanted to give a proper name, that we should give the name particularly before -v. Over here we have to give the name could be like customer app vol. So I'm gonna repeat it. So we are running a container, assigning a container name, attaching a volume. That volume left hand side belongs to our local machine directory and the right hand side belongs to the container or directory of Docker, right? That is Linux based. Then -p port 90 and 9000 and 3000, something like that. So if I hit enter and see, it's still that is in used, and if I go and check, we got this particular volume attached less than a minute ago. Okay, so this is how we can see that that volume is already attached. Now what we have to do is go back and check here. 9000, it should work, right? We got that value from there. So what if I have deleted this container, right? I've deleted that container. What if now I'm gonna rebuild it, because see, the volume is already there. Okay, the volume is already there. Now if I rebuild it, will it automatically attach this volume to that new particular container? Let's try, because that is keeping our data persistent, right? So we have to make sure that it should be linked, right? So let me run it one more time and directly see that whether it, okay, I'm gonna change that one with a particular name, that vol2, so won't get confused. So let's see, and yes, it did. And let me double check. Okay, vol2 is up and running, vol2 on 9000, okay, on port 9000, which is this one. Let me hit it. If this gives the same data, then it linked. That is linked. I'm gonna refresh it. Everything is working fine, and see the performance, guys. It's so fast because it's running on Linux. Okay, so that is the beauty of volumes. And in the next video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create my Postgres Docker container, okay, plus Postgres admin as well. So two different things, okay, and then I'm gonna link both of them and see how it goes. For example, I have a Postgres database, and that database, I don't want to do command prompt thing like go and type SQL commands. We can do that, but just wanted to show you that how we can link two different containers. So the best example will be the Postgres database and the admin page, that is pg admin 4. We will be linking together both two things, and let's see how those things work. Thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned. And if you have any question, just drop a comment in and let me know. We'll meet soon. And please guys, do subscribe, like and share my channel, and then that will really help me to grow. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.